Sugar magnolia, blossoms blooming, heads all empty and I don't care. So my baby down by the river knew she'd have to come up soon for air.
You know, Rosa, I need to take these sunglasses off. There's one right there. You know, Rosa, you like? You got that one. Okay. So right here in front of me between me and this palmetto bush. All right, Rosa. Easy! Good shot, Irish. Easy, Rosa. Easy. Rosa's an easy, Ike, easy. Easy. Right there's where they were. All right. There he is. There he is, Katie. You got him? Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Good girl. There's a quailbird. If I can hold it out far enough for y'all to see, that's a female quailbird. Just had two. Now, Katie's got the one in her mouth.
Katie, come here, girl.
Come on, Jack. Let's get on this other one. We can just... Easy, Ike! Give me a... Now, Ike. Ike, no. Ike, no. Let me have the bird. Let me have the bird.